Hello, hi, my name is Robiatul Adawiyah. I'm from the Information System Study Program, Faculty of Science and Technology. Here I will present about a data mining system for predicting university student graduation grades using ID3 education tree algorithm. Data mining. Data mining is the process of extraction information from lake data set through the use of algorithms and techniques drawn from the files of statistics and database management system. The main functionality of data mining techniques is applying various methods and algorithms in order to discover and extract patterns of stored data. Digression tails. A digression tree is a flowchart-like tree structure where each internal node is denoted by rectangles and leaf nodes are denoted by ovals. The four widely used digression tree learning algorithms are ID3, CART, CHAID, and C45. One of which is ID3. ID3 is a simple digression tree learning algorithm developed by Ross Quinlan. The basic idea of ID3 algorithm is to construct the digression tree by employing a top-down, greedy search through the gift seed to test each attribute at every tree node. Data collection and description. The data used in collect from the academic department of Freedom's University Nigeria. The data consists of set of the student entry grade is secondary school, which is the U-level results, entrance, examination scores, and the grade of graduation. For all graduates between 2008 for 2009 and 2011 for 2012 session. The data and the attribute that possibly influence their result will select and analyze the grade spread between 0 for 100%, taking values from A1 to F9. The algorithm ID3. The ID3 algorithm is present as follows. Examples target attributes. Create a root node for the tree. If all examples are positive, return the single node the root will label positive. If all examples are negative, return the single node the root with label negative. If number of predicting attribute is empty, then return the single node the root with label most common value of the target attribute in the examples. Otherwise begin A. The attribute that best classifies examples. Digression tree attribute for root A. For each possible value Pi of I. Add a new tree branch below root corresponding to the test A for phi I. Let example phi A be the subset of examples that have the value phi for I. If empty, then below this new branch and a leaf node with label most common target value in the examples. Else, below this new branch and the subtree ID3 examples target attribute and return route. Design of the prediction system. The prediction system contains a knowledge base that has accumulated experience and a set of rules for applying the knowledge base to each particular situation. The architecture for the prediction system for this knowledge base to inference engine to working memory back inference engine for end user. Knowledge base. This contains the domain knowledge and they are declarative representation of often if-then rule. These rules will be generated by Waikato environment for knowledge analysis. Implementation tool which represent the knowledge base of the system. Working memory. The user enters information on a current problem into the working memory. The system matches this information with knowledge contained in the knowledge base to infer new facts. The system then enters this new page into the working memory and the matching process continues. Eventually, the system reaches some conclusion that it also entered into the working process. Working process. The user entered information on current problem into the working memory. The system matched the information with knowledge contained in the knowledge base to infer new facts. The system then entered these new facts into the working memory and the matching process continues. Eventually, the system reached some conclusion that it also entered into the working process. And user, the individual who will be consulting with the system to get advice that will have been provided by the prediction system. Data training. Example system project for training of data from this. Example system project from this. Thank you. I'm sorry uh, and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.